Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from your PayPal to your Binance account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you have to log in into your PayPal account, and once you're logged into your account, you have to tap on cryptos in the top left corner of your screen. And once you do that, now you have to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So once you're done selecting the crypto that you want to transfer, next interface you have to tap on the transfer icon located in the bottom right corner. And as you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. So from there you have to tap on send. So once you tap on send, now you have to enter the wallet address of the recipient. Since we are transferring it to Binance account, so then you have to open up your Binance application or log in into your Binance account. And once you're logged into your Binance account, you have to tap on the wallet icon located in the bottom right corner. So as you tap on the wallet, next interface you have to select the crypto that you want to receive. So make sure to select the correct one. Now on this page you have to tap on deposit. So as soon as you tap on deposit, you'll have the wallet address. So all you have to do is just copy the wallet address and then head back to your PayPal account once again. And on this page you have to paste the wallet address that you've recently copied, and after that you also have to enter the amount of cryptos that you want to transfer. And after you're done transferring it, you have a quick security check. So then a verification code will be sent to your phone number or an email address, and you have to enter the verification code in order to confirm. And if you have provided the correct information, you've successfully confirmed, and then the transaction will be completed. So that is how you can transfer cryptos from PayPal account to your Binance. That is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.